Namaste dosto, welcome back to my channel Flavorful Shots with Pallavi. Today I'm sharing a traditional fermented drink that not only tastes amazing but also packed with health benefits, beetroot kanji. This probiotic rich drink is known for its gut healing properties, vibrant color and refreshing tangy taste. And in this video, I'm not just making one but 3 different versions of beetroot kanji, each with its own unique flavor twist. So let's dive into this colorful healthy journey together. Kanji is a traditional North Indian fermented drink often made during winter using black carrots. It has been cherished for centuries, especially for its natural probiotic qualities and digestive benefits. Over the years, creative versions with beetroot, carrot and other ingredients have become popular. What makes kanji so special is not just the flavor, it's the health benefits. Thanks to fermentation, kanji becomes rich in good bacteria that support gut health, improve immunity, and even aid in nutrients absorption. Now here's something really interesting. Kanji can also be beneficial for people managing diabetes. Beetroot, when fermented, has a lower glycemic impact and can help improve insulin sensitivity. Combined with spices like mustard, cumin, and garlic, which are known to support metabolism and blood sugar regulation, kanji becomes a naturally functional drink. तो दोस्तों ये थी मेरी 3 तरह की बीटरूट कंजी रेसिपीज. Simple, flavorful and incredibly good for your health. You can enjoy them as a midday refresher, pre-meal digestive or even as a replacement for sugary drinks. Try this kanji. Carrot and beetroot kanji. And this is beetroot and mustard kanji. Try out these recipes and let me know in the comment which one do you like the most. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नई रेसिपी के साथ. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, bye bye.